Okay, what's going on, my fellow marketers and business owners? This is Sam Demers at Flux Media Marketing, and today I've put together a small video just to kind of walk you through how to set up the Facebook pixel and get it set up on your website's header. So, without further ado, here we go. Right now we're currently up on my website, fluxmediamarketing.tech, and if you look up here in the right hand corner, you can see this little blue box with the green box underneath it. That is showing that I currently have a Facebook pixel installed on my page, and you can get this little thing here. It's just a Google Chrome extension called Pixel Helper, and then you can tell if other people have pixels on their website as well. So I'm not going to go too in depth here, but what the pixel does is every time somebody goes onto your website, that pixel is going to fire and it's going to remember those people. After that pixel fires 100 times, you can start utilizing lookalike audiences on Facebook advertising, and this will enable you to target people from a similar demographic. So it's a super effective tool to have. It's excellent to have if you're running ads for your business. So I'm going to come over here to Facebook Business Manager, and you should go to business.facebook.com if you have not already and familiarize yourself with Business Manager. So once you have set up a Business Manager account, you're going to go ahead and click on that top left hand corner and come over to Pixels. Alright, and here we are with Pixels. I'm going to come over to Add Data Source, and if you haven't created a pixel already, it'll just have a Create a Pixel for you. But I'm going to go to Create a Facebook Pixel. Okay. We'll go ahead and just name this Example Facebook Pixel. And then you'd enter your website's URL underneath. I'm not going to go do that because it's optional. Alright, so I've created this new pixel here. We're just letting that load up. Bear with me while this goes. Alright, and I'm going to come down to manually install pixel code yourself. So if you don't know how to get into your website's code, you should reach out to your web developer, whoever made your website, and they will do it. But we're going to go and we're just going to copy this pixel code here, and then you will go to, for example, I have a WordPress site, and you get into the code section and you're going to post that right in between your two header codes, and once that's in place, it'll be up and running and you can test it through here. So I'm not going to go ahead and install it today, but I just wanted to show you the very basics of getting it set up here. I would encourage you, if you don't have your business manager set up, do that first and foremost. And if you're going to be running Facebook advertisements, which I recommend, you want to have a pixel running on your website because that's going to enable you to optimize them down the road, and this can be super effective. So hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Reach out to me if you have any questions on it, and once again, have a fantastic day. Thank you.